Hi guys, it's Charlotte here from Hills, and today I'm here on Ellesmere Road in Ellesmere Park to show you this absolutely beautiful 4-bedroom semi-detached property. So as you can see from the front here, there's potential for off-road parking for multiple cars with access down the side of the property, which leads on into the gorgeous garden at the back. So I'll take you on inside. We have a porch for a bit of storage, and then leading on into this beautiful entrance hallway. Straight ahead here we have a guest toilet, understairs storage, and into the first reception room, which is a beautiful reception room with a feature log burner in place. Nice big bay window, and as you can see, it's absolutely flooding in with natural light. At the rear here, we have a further reception room, which has also been extended, again with these beautiful feature windows. Also another log burner through here. And patio doors, which leads on to the garden. Fantastic skylight here. Again, flooded in, lots of natural light throughout. And through here we have the modern fitted extended kitchen. As you can see, it's got an array of wall and base units, integrated appliances, oven, hob, dishwasher. Also has underfloor heating. Bifold doors here leading on to the raised decked area. Just scoops around there and onto this beautiful private rear garden. The raised patio area just here, which benefits from the sun in the evenings. I'll just spin around so you can see. It's a fantastic property here. Super quiet, tucked away here on Ellesmere Road in Ellesmere Park. There is also a small garage here, which is currently being just used for storage. Additionally, here in the kitchen we have a utility room, which has your washing machine, sink, houses the combi boiler as well, and additional storage. So I will take you on upstairs. So up here we have 4 bedrooms and a loft room. The front here, as we come up, we have the master bedroom. It's a fantastic double bedroom. Nice big bay window again, letting in lots of natural light. And then built-in wardrobes. And across the landing here, we have this beautiful 4-piece family bathroom. Lovely freestanding bath. Walk-in shower. And at the rear of the property we have another double room which overlooks the beautiful garden. It's a really good size double bedroom. And then bedroom 3, which again is a generous single, but as you can see can fit a double bed in here also, which also looks onto the garden. Then through here is bedroom number 4, which then also has access into the additional loft room up here, which is a fantastic space and could be used, as the current owners are also doing, as a bedroom, but equally can be used with anything else. The looks there, again onto the back garden. Again, it's a fantastic sized room up here. The properties around here don't generally stick around for long, so if you are interested in taking a look, do give the office a call and the team can arrange a viewing for you. Thank you.